The Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus arrives as a refined flagship, blending premium design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge display technology into one sleek package. Positioned between the standard and ultra models, the S26 Plus aims to deliver a balanced experience for users who want high-end features without going all in on the top tier. Starting with the design, the Galaxy S26 Plus maintains Samsung's signature minimalist aesthetic. It features a glass front and back, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, paired with a durable aluminum frame. The device measures just 7.3 millimeters thin and weighs 190 grams, making it slim yet comfortable to hold. It also carries an IP68 rating, meaning it's resistant to dust and can survive being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Subtle refinements in the camera layout and frame give it a more polished and premium feel compared to its predecessor. One of the highlights of the Galaxy S26 Plus is its display. It features a 6.7-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels. The screen supports a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, HDR10+, and can reach peak brightness up to 2600 nits. This means you get incredibly smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The near edge-to-edge design with ultra-thin bezels further enhances the immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in select regions, while other markets may get the Exynos 2600. Both are built on advanced fabrication processes, delivering improved efficiency and performance. The device comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, using fast UFS 4.x technology. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, the S26 Plus handles everything smoothly. Benchmark scores also reflect its flagship status, making it one of the most capable smartphones in its class. Moving to the camera system, the Galaxy S26 Plus features a versatile triple camera setup. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization, ensuring sharp and detailed photos. It's accompanied by a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing expansive scenes. The camera system supports advanced features like HDR, panorama, and Samsung's improved image processing. For video, it can record up to 8K resolution, along with 4K at multiple frame rates, making it suitable for both casual users and content creators. On the front, the Galaxy S26 Plus features a 12-megapixel selfie camera with dual-pixel autofocus. It supports HDR and can record video in up to 4K resolution. This makes it ideal for video calls, vlogging, and capturing sharp self-portraits with natural skin tones. The Galaxy S26 Plus is powered by a 4900 mAh battery, which offers all-day usage under normal conditions. It supports 45-watt wired charging, allowing it to reach around 69% in just 30 minutes. Additionally, it includes wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, making it more versatile for modern usage. In terms of connectivity, the S26 Plus supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, and ultra-wideband technology. It also includes an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking. Additional features like Samsung DeX and enhanced audio support further elevate the overall user experience. The Galaxy S26 Plus runs on Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8. It promises up to 7 major Android upgrades, ensuring long-term software support and security updates. The interface remains clean, customizable, and packed with useful features for productivity and daily use. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus stands out as a well-balanced flagship. It combines premium design, a stunning display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system. For users looking for a high-end smartphone without stepping into ultra territory, the S26 Plus offers a compelling and complete experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.